What's up, I'm Joe from Sawicki Speed. This is a 2016 Road Glide. I'm gonna show you how to put in the Sawicki Speed Intimidator full length on a twin cam. First thing we're gonna do is get our exhaust gaskets in. Next, let's go ahead and get our support bracket installed on our transmission bolts. All right, next let's prepare. The twin cam has two different locations for the oxygen sensors. Depending on which one you're using, plug the other. Ours is in the mid location. Flange is on, the recessed area comes out towards the head, and the clip. We'll go ahead and route our O2 behind the clutch cable and under the bracket we just installed. And be sure that our saddle is sitting up on top of the bracket. Go ahead and route your cable this direction and drop it in its looms. Next we'll drop in our dog bone, and with the supplied hardware we'll just go ahead and start these bolts. Rinse and repeat. Our cable. This is the full-length Intimidator. Going to work for me. Slide in our bracket. We'll start from the rear and we'll go ahead and tighten up our rear bolts. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten up our dog bone. And install our springs. All right, now that's in, we'll just go ahead and tighten up our flange nuts. Just a hand tight for the moment. Next, we're going to go ahead and tighten our flange nuts. We're going to start from the top on each side and then come down and torque to 10 foot-pounds. All right, floorboard spacers. So we'll put our bolt in. Extension spacer, I'm sorry. And this one has a nut on the back. Next, our 3-pin cover. And don't forget your bag. Get all your fingerprints and dirt and stuff off the pipe before you start it. This is the Sawicki Speed Twin Cam Intimidator full length.